So I've had the other camera out a couple times and finally can't get it working, so I'm gonna use the phone. So enough of my problems. Here is wood I have for one wall. It's gonna be 2x6 walls. And the extension is gonna be one of the 16-foot walls, same as last year, 2x6 walls. So I'm gonna do that. There's gonna be one door in it, and that door is going to be, let's see, oh, over here. This here firewall, that's what I'm doing. So that wall there is gonna have one door in it, and that's gonna be to bring that wood in through that door for our wood during the winter. And I also got the last few pieces of OSB I need for the 5/8 OSB for the floor right here, this part. So I got to put that on, and if you didn't hear what I was going to do underneath, I'm going to go up underneath and put the bubble fall in later. So that's why I'm putting it on top of there. You can check that out. Last video I talked about why I'm doing it that way. So I won't get into it again today. So I got that, and I also got 7/16 OSB. That's going to be for the 2x6 16-foot by 8-foot wall I'm going to build today. Hopefully today. I feel like complete crap, so maybe we'll see. Right here is where it's going. But also what I'm doing, I'm building this 8 feet high, right? So that's what I did before. Be a little bit over 8 feet because I'm using 8-foot boards and not studs because I did that last year, so I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to take this here, see the facing I have all on the gable out of there. Well, I'm just going to take that off, and then I'm going to buy pre-made trusses that have a gable in it, or a cathedral in it, but I'll just fasten them right to this, so it'll just continue out. I think it'll take 9 trusses to bring it out to the end here, and that way there it'll all match perfectly. It'll be very easy. So that's the plan. So I'm going to somehow figure out a way to keep you in the loop while I build it. We've got no tripod or camera or cards or anything right at the moment, so we'll see what we can do. Alright, we got these 3 on. Just got that last strip. That's about 8 inches. And that's from the screw piles being a little off, like I said. So we'll just have to cut those and throw those on. It started raining though, so we had stopped for a bit and we just got these 3 sheets on. So we got to take the dogs in to get their needles. Oh, hopefully I'll get some more done tonight though, we'll see. All right, we're back from dogs getting their needles. I can't get them. There you go. All is good. So I'm gonna get this final strip on I was talking about. Won't be getting to the frame of the wall today. I'll get it out tomorrow though. We'll finish off that strip. Alright, so the floor's done. Gonna get the wood ready over there on the deck, ready to frame up the first wall tomorrow. Before I go today, somebody was asking how the driveway looks. I'm gonna show you. It's really kind of packing down pretty good. So if you look at the driveway here now, she's packing down nice. Okay. So if you look, she's solid. So it's just gonna get better too, the driveway. But it looks awesome. So I guess we didn't get a whole lot of building done today. At least we got that floor done. Looks good. We're happy with it. I would have had to buy another piece for that final tongue and groove piece. Have you seen that partial strip I cut? And it was just like groove to groove, but for that last 8-inch piece or so, well, I didn't want to buy another sheet for that one little piece, so you know, whatever. So we're gonna get at the other first wall tomorrow though. So like, subscribe, hit the bell. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.